Now we have 2,331 divided by 37, so we're going to need to work out our 37 times table. But before we do that, let's look at the question. If we take the first two digits together, we have 23 divided by 37. But 23 is less than 37, so when that happens, we can take the first three digits together and divide 233 by 37. So we're going to need to work out our 37 times table at least up to 233. So 37 is 1 times 37. If we add another 37, we get 74 for 2 times. Add another 37, we get 111 for 3 times. Another 37 gives us 148 for 4 times. Another 37 gives us 185 for 5 times. And we can be confident that we haven't made any mistakes, because remember, 5 times always ends in a 5 or 0, and that's what we have with 185. But 185 isn't close to 233, so we need to keep going and add another 37. That gives us 222 for 6 times, which is close to 233. But to be sure, we can add another 37 and we get 259 for 7 times. So remember, we're taking the first 3 digits together because 23 is less than 37. So taking the first 3 digits, we need a number that's close to 233 but still less than 233. We can see that 6 times 37 is 222. So we can write that underneath, and because it's 6 times, we write 6 in our answer line. Now, 233 minus 222 is 11, and we can bring down the 1, so we have 111 divided by 37. We can see that that's exactly 3 times, so we have 3 as the last digit of our answer. Now, there was a shortcut here. Once we'd got to 111, we could have just doubled to get to 222. So if you double 3 times, you'll get to 6 times. And that would have saved us time here, because we didn't actually need to know what 4 times or 5 times were to get our answer. Now, 1118 divided by 43. If we'll take the first 2 digits together, again 11 is less than 43, so we're going to need to take the first 3 digits together and divide 111 by 43. So working out our 43 times table, 86 is 2 times and 129 is 3 times. But remember, when we looked at the question, we were first just dividing 111, and we've already gone past that, so we can stop our working out and divide 111 by 43. We can see that the closest number to 111 is 86, so we can write that underneath, and because 86 is 2 times 43, we can write 2 in our answer line. So now we need to subtract, and here I would use column method to help us. So 11 minus 6 is 5, 10 if we take those 2 digits together, 10 minus 8 is 2, and we can bring down the 8, so we have 258 divided by 43. Now we know that 129 is 3 times, so there is a shortcut here, which I'll come back to in a moment, but for now we can keep on adding 43s until we get to 258. So adding another 43 gives us 172 for 4 times, 215 for 5 times, and 258 for 6 times. So because 258 is 6 times 43, we know that 6 is the final digit of our answer. Now I mentioned that there was a shortcut. We were dividing 258, and by that point we'd only got to 3 times is 129. But we could have just doubled 129 to get to 6 times straight away. Because if we know that 129 is 3 times, if you add 3 times and 3 times, you'll get to 6 times, because you can add multiplications together. So that might have saved us some time, rather than having to work out 4 times and 5 times. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that was helpful. If you're a teacher or a parent, then please subscribe or go to keystage2maths.com to download resources for this lesson and many more. That's all for now. I'll see you in the next video.